Good morning, students. As you know, we have completed knowledge generation book syllabus. That syllabus was page 7 to 14. Now we all have done that. Now you know we have one more book, that is Breeze book, and there are few pages in that book also that we will complete for this unit. So let us start. This is your page number 290, that is chapter number 1. Please open your books on this page. I hope everybody has Breeze book. Children, the theme of this chapter number 1 is colored words. Students, colored words are often used to express different meanings. Here we have to complete the sentence by adding the word black, white, red or blue. So some pics are also given on the page and those pics will help you in completing the sentences. First sentence is dash widow is a poisonous spider. So which word we will write here? We will write black. Black widow. Black widow spiders are the most venomous spiders that are known for the female's unique appearance and a tendency to eat their mates. Second sentence is heavy maintenance items are white elephants. Children, this is a idiom. White elephant is an idiom. It is something whose cost of upkeep is not in line with its usefulness. For example, some buildings are there, the maintenance cost of those buildings are more than their usefulness. Third is dash whale is the largest mammal. I think all children know this. The answer is blue whale. This is a fact we all know. Blue whales are marine animals that are largest on the earth. Fourth statement is Earth is called dash planet. You know, we have studied this in science. The Earth is called blue planet. Blue planet, it is called due to the presence of water on the Earth. 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered with water. That is why Earth is called blue planet. Fifth statement is dash blood denotes royal origin. Children, again it is an idiom. A person who is an aristocrat, noble or member of a socially prominent family denotes the blue blood origin. Now next statement, the sixth statement is dash goods are large appliances like refrigerator or washing machine. The answer is white goods. Children, the answer is white. I hope you have noted it. Refrigerator, washing machines, dishwashers, AC are large electrical goods which were traditionally available only in white color. That is why it is called white goods are large appliances. Now seventh statement is a dash sheep brings disgrace to the family. Here we are going to write down black. Black sheep is someone who brings disgrace, especially to a family that most sheep are white or black. One would be both conspicuous and undesirable. This is an idiom. Black sheep is an idiom. An odd member of a family who does not fall in line with others or someone with someone who makes bad decision or has a bad reputation within the family, that is called black sheep in the family. Eighth statement, dash tooth transfers data and music. Answer is blue. Most commonly used in cell phones, headsets. Many people use Bluetooth to transfer data and music. Coming to the ninth statement, a dash box is a flight recorder. The answer we are going to write is black. A black color is of a flight recorder. Children, actually a flight recorder is always bright orange, but it is often charred black after a crash. Flight recorder is an electronic recording device placed in an aircraft for the purpose of facilitating the investigation of aviation accidents. Now, last statement is a dash dove is a symbol of peace. Here the answer is white, because white doves lend a sense of freedom. They are universal symbol of peace, humanity and love. So students, I hope this page is clear to you. Write date on the top of page, and we have to learn the page also and the fact file also, the given that is given on the page. And children, be careful. No answer is given at the back of Bree's book. So write down the answers carefully in your book or note down the sentences in your notebook.